आंचल, आज इस पॉडकास्ट में हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर डिस्कशन करेंगे। क्या चीज़ आपको एक्सपोर्ट में लेकर आई, कैसे ऑर्डर मिला, बायर क्यों ट्रस्ट करते हैं, आप एक होम मेकर हो तो प्रोडक्ट कैसे माइंड में आया। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग सो दैट मेनी पीपल विल बी generating value out of this.
Sir, in my case, first of all, when I was inquiring with the supplier, he was quite surprised that I'm doing time pass with him. So he told, "Are you an employee of the company?" So when I told him that no, I'm working for my own company and this is my first export, he was quite shocked. Buyer got a confidence because as soon as he approached me, within half an hour, instantly, sir, I was available with videos, photos, and price. Because, sir, by practicing so much in the session to take out the price, now I know ki, that time when I hitched to a being exporter program, I was doing multiple roles, like a CEO of a homemaker and a mother, and then an aspiring exporter, because I really wanted to.
Namaskar, everybody. Welcome each one of you. A very unique podcast. Today we have a busy mom turned as an exporter. We have Aanchal Garg from Mumbai. First of all, Aanchal, thank you very much for being here and a warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much, sir, to give me this opportunity to do this podcast with you. Namaste, everyone. My name is Aanchal Garg. I am from Mumbai, married and mother of two.
ब्रिलियंट 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 अंचल, आज इस पॉडकास्ट में हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर डिस्कशन करेंगे। क्या चीज़ आपको एक्सपोर्ट में लेकर आई, बिकॉज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ स्केड्यूल्स अराउंड रेयरली फाइंड यू टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ। तो क्या चीज़ बिजनेस में लेकर आई, क्या थॉट एक्सपोर्ट में लाया, कैसे जर्नी की, कैसे ऑर्डर मिला, बायर क्यों ट्रस्ट करते हैं, आप एक होम मेकर हो तो प्रोडक्ट कैसे माइंड में आया। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग सो दैट मेनी पीपल विल बी जनरेटिंग वैल्यू आउट ऑफ दिस। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आंचल, स्टार्ट करते हैं शुरू से ही, वहीं से। क्या चीज आपको एक्सपोर्ट में लेकर आई। इनफैक्ट आपके लिए तो ये कहूंगा, क्या चीज बिजनेस के लिए क्या थॉट इंस्पायर कर रहा था आपको।
So, sir, basically, the seed was planted back in 2016 in my mind when my husband has some plans around export. So, sir, I attended, and when I used to go to Gujarat Highway at my in-laws' place, I used to see series of rows of container over there, and it really sparkled my curiosity that where is it going and what is there. So, in 2019, I attended a export workshop, and I spoke to a few people in the industry. But I got a very disheartening feedback that this business is not for women. But still, I went and formed a new company back in 2019. But then the COVID came and everything came to pause. So, sir, then when in 2023, again, when things started, I tried my hands for a year on social media marketing as a freelancer, but my mind was still not into it. Then, sir, suddenly one day I saw your, after 2023, when I was, again, I started searching for export, I saw your Instagram ad for 2-day workshop. And without any second thought and with a good feeling, I just enrolled for it. And sir, when I attended your workshop, I came with so much of clarity and confidence. I spoke to my husband and I told him this is it I was waiting for and I want to enroll it for it. And my husband supported me instantly. I think that was the ever decision which changed my life. And that was one of the quickest decision which I have taken in my life last year.
Got it. Brilliant, brilliant answer, brilliant. So मतलब हमेशा से थॉट था कुछ ना कुछ करना है, और वो कंटेनर्स जो रास्ते में थे, दैट गेव यू अ स्पार्क, और दैट्स अमेजिंग आंचल। एंड ऑफ कोर्स भाई साहब का हमेशा सपोर्ट रहा है, सो दैट्स रियली फैबुलस, ब्रिलियंट। सो आंचल, लेट्स 2 or 3 मोर थिंग्स लेट्स डिस्कस। से प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन की बात आती है, अब एब्सोल्युटली आप अलग बैकग्राउंड से हो, आप अलग फील्ड से हो। हम अगर होम मेकर की बात करें तो खाना बनाना है, घर की प्रिपरेशन करनी है, हस्बैंड के लिए बच्चों का टेक केयर करना है, हस्बैंड का टेक केयर करना है, मेहमान हैं, इतने सारे और काम होते हैं। तो उसमें एक्सपोर्ट का थॉट आना, जबकि पता है कि इतना सारा सब काम करना होता है, तो वो कैसे संभव होता है। एंड देन सडनली प्रोडक्ट का सिलेक्शन करना। तो वांटेड टू नो, प्रोडक्ट कैसे माइंड में आया आंचल, बिकॉज हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या है वो नहीं जानना है, बट हाउ यू सिलेक्टेड द प्रोडक्ट।
So, sir, basically, back in 2009, when I did my MBA in finance, I worked for 6 odd years in a debt market until 2015 when my first child was born. After that, I took a sabbatical and to raise my kids, and that was a very conscious decision because those years were also fulfilling in its own way. So, sir, but I had a childhood dream. Being grew in a business family, I always wanted to become an entrepreneur and I wanted to be as financially self-independent. So, sir, the thought has come from there basically that I have become a mother, but then now I have to start my. So, sir, I was just waiting for the right time to start my career again. So, till my kids grew older. So, sir, when I hitched to your program and when I got a strategies and a proper framework from you, I started searching by the methods you had taught us. So, sir, there were moments of if and buts in my mind when I tried doing two joint ventures. But those joint, because I was initially not very much comfortable and confident about representing my own brand new image. But then, sir, those JV products didn't work out for me. Then I again shifted to my own company, which I have formed, and I just thought, ki, let's try build my own brand, and I started working on that. And sir, I shuffle my products according to my equations, which you have taught. What I have selected initially, I have reshuffled my equations and products, and then finally, sir, I could select the product. And sir, the best part is I was updating my buyer on the WhatsApp for many months, and the products which I was updating him, uh, I did not export that, and I have exported some other product. And sir, also he had never replied me, but I could notice that he's reading my WhatsApp messages. So sir, I did not stop. I was just consistently updating him. So, sir, one blue day he came and he told me, can you arrange for me this product, this quantity, and this grade? So then the conversation started from there and this product clicked from there.
Amazing, Achal, amazing. So, my dear viewers, see, that's something which we need to understand. हमें हमेशा प्रोडक्ट से प्यार होता है, बट द पॉइंट इज यू नीड टू लव योर इक्वेशन. Equation is expression of the goals. In case of Anchal, what works for equation? And then she selected the product. So she was clear कौन से product, कौन से margins में काम करना है. Coming to the world of buyers, probably it was been months she was having a relationship with the buyer, at least one side conversation as business relationship कि हमारे पास ये product है. बायर के वर्ल्ड में अगर कुछ जिताता है तो वो है कंसिस्टेंसी. नो वंडर बायर ने सामने से ऐसी प्रोडक्ट बताई, इक्वेशन मैच होता है, एंड देन कंसाइनमेंट सेंड एंड स्टार्टेड जनरेटिंग दोस मार्जिन्स. ब्रिलियंट. आंचल, थोड़ा सा अनफोल्ड करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, बायर क्यों ट्रस्ट करेंगे? क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
Sir, in my case, first of all, when I was inquiring with the supplier, he was quite surprised that I'm doing time pass with him. So he told, are you an employee of the company? So when I told him that no, I'm working for my own company and this is my first export, he was quite shocked. And looking at the buyer, sir, the price point and the grade which we were discussing, buyer got a confidence because as soon as he approached me, within half an hour, instantly, sir, I was available with videos, photos, and price. Because, sir, by practicing so much in the session to take out the price, now I know कि, 20 feet container का इतना costing है, 40 feet का इतना है, just I have to add seat ring. Yeah, but there were many eye-opener things during the process due to which I have to squeeze my margins also. But then, sir, with the grace of Bajrang Bali and with the support of you, I could totally handle all the problems which have come to me. But then, sir, finally, I feel where there's a right intention, then thing falls in place. So I was just going with the process and the flow, and things happen.
Amazing, Achal. Amazing. That's fabulous. Achal, you have no clue. ये कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनेंगे ना लोग, कितने लोगों की लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होने वाली है, कितने लोग इसमें ओपनिंग लेंगे. दैट्स फैबुलस. आंचल, ड्यूरिंग दिस जर्नी, attending session, being on a call with buddies, on group calls, on in live session, in exercise, in fact, in meetings, either national events or boot camps, या factory visits, farmers visits, कभी कोई ऐसी चीज जो हमेशा याद रहेगी, वो मेमोरी है? अगर है तो क्या शेयर करना चाहोगे? देयर यू गो.
So, sir, basically, to being exporter, I got hitched very much before this time last year. So that time when I hitched to a being exporter program, I was doing multiple role, like a CEO of a homemaker and a mother, and then an aspiring exporter because I really wanted to. So that time coming for the sessions and the stepwise framework which you used to taught us was completely very difficult to catch up. So, sir, but slowly and steadily, when you surrender yourself to the system and you attend regular sessions, you understand, okay, repetitively things are happening. Then, things tricks you, and then you go ahead with the process, and there is more clarity come to your brain. So, sir, and whenever I had visited twice to the national events, and whenever I have come from there, I always got a different opening, different mindset, and different perspective. And, sir, meeting there with the superheroes who are actually exporters from different backgrounds gave me an internal validation. Okay, this is possible. If I am a busy mom, I have to take care of the family, I have to take care of the home. Why can't I do? I can spare some a little time, and at least I have to try. I cannot give up. So, sir, there were a lot of memories with you. You were the biggest cheerleader, and national events were very memorable and very learning moment. And as I told you, that I always got an internal validation from looking at the superhero stories from different background. So that really impacted me to keep going further.
फैबुलस। आंचल, फैमिली की क्या फीलिंग रही जब कंसाइनमेंट जाना, पेमेंट्स अकाउंट में आना, एक नया एक feather on the head, Anchal turn is an exporter, we did that. So what was the feeling of family? What was their experience?
So, sir, honestly, it was only my husband who knew that I'm going under this journey. Because, sir, I don't want to tell anyone unless I'm sure of things. So, sir, when I received my full payment, I have first told it to my dad and my husband, who are the biggest cheerleader and supporter in the family, and who had always believed in me that I will do it. So, sir, they were full with pride and emotion. And when I told my rest of the family, my siblings, my mom, my in laws, they were surprised and they were asking me, how did you even manage this? I'm like, yeah, I took out some time and I used to tell you I'm busy, busy. So I did it. So, but yeah, they were very grateful for my new beginnings, and their blessings is always with me.
फैबुलस, अमेजिंग। आंचल, ये पॉडकास्ट यूट्यूब चैनल पर या रील फॉर्मेट में, किसी सोशल मीडिया पर, किसी विज्ञापन में, किसी प्रोग्राम में जो व्यूवर्स देख रहे हैं, दे आर एस्पायरिंग एक्सपोर्टर्स एंड एक्सपोर्टर्स। उन्हें क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में?
Right. So, sir, basically, to be an exporter, you don't need to be a manufacturer or have a factory setup. You can, if your mindset is, if your mindset aligned to your goals, and if you can take small actions which will really take you to achieve your goals. And, sir, as a woman, we are already doing so much. Like, we are taking care of home, kids, and family. So, sir, I feel this is another extension. Export is another extension which we are capable of. So, sir, my message to the viewer is simple, that export industry is very huge, and if your equation really align with the business, you should definitely get in. Yeah, there will be things that you don't know something right now, but then you will figure it out gradually and slowly. So never give up. Keep going.
फैबुलस, अमेजिंग। आंचल, इस जर्नी में हमारा क्या सपोर्ट रहा, क्या एड्रेस करना चाहोगे आप? देयर यू गो।
Honestly, sir, without being exporter and without you, Bhagirath sir, I would not have come so far. Sir, your system or your classes have been you had a right implementation of framework which we can really implement, and your sessions are of real guidance. And not only this, sir, what I like about your sessions is you work on the mindset, which is very clear, which is very important, sir, because I feel, sir, knowing things is not enough. If you Until you don't have the right mindset, you won't able to take actions or achieve things. So your support, motivation, and community around it have got me so far, which I'm truly grateful and thankful deeply from my heart for being exporter, and sir especially. You have been our biggest cheerleader.
अच्छा, यू हैव नो क्लू कितनी जिंदगियां ट्रांसफॉर्म होंगी। और कम्युनिटी में तो बाप रे, मतलब नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल बी देयर इन द बूट कैम्प एंड देन सी व्हाट्स गोना हैपन। आई
Thank you so
रिमेंबर,
much.
आंचल, दैट योर वीडियो इंटरव्यू इन नेशनल मीडिया एंड यू सेड, सर, you प्लीज एयर मत जाने देना बिकॉज अभी तक कोई जानता नहीं। आई वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, लुक एट हर। इतनी एक्साइटमेंट में जाकर माइक पे खड़ी हो गई, जाकर बात करके आ गए, देन शी वन अ बैकफुट, सर इसको बाहर नहीं जाने देना है।
Yes, sir.
आंचल, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू आंचल, कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, इट्स वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉजालिटी। मतलब आंचल, हार्डली समय खुद के लिए मिलना, उसमें ये सब करना, वो भी किसी को नहीं पता होना, कंसाइनमेंट जाना, पापा से बात करना, हस्बैंड से बात करना, उनका हमेशा सपोर्ट रहना, दैट्स अमेजिंग, व्हाट यू हैव कॉज इज फिनोमिनल, and we're so grateful to God. People like you, Anchal, I must say, superhero like you are part of our community and abundance to explore. Looking forward to serve you with more power, fullest capacity, Anchal. Thank you very much for sharing your entire journey. Truly appreciate it, Anchal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
My dear viewers, the intention of having this podcast is very simple. We wanted to understand, even you can do that. और अगर आप नहीं करते हैं तो शायद आपको जानकारियों का अभाव है या इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का है। आपको जानकारियां चाहिए, आप अपने शहर में, अपने राज्य में, अपने ऑफिस, अपने फैक्ट्री के पास कहीं भी जुड़ जाइए, सीखिए, इम्प्लीमेंट करिए, एक्सपोर्टर बनिए, देश की ग्रोथ में जुड़िए, भर भर के कंसाइनमेंट्स भेजिए और एक्सपोर्टर बनिए। आंचल, वंस अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Namaste.